Hi, future me. At the resort. I just want to add this clip in here. We are staying at the Zen Suites of the Grand Velas Resort. The Zen Suites here is the jungle part of the resort. The resort has three parts. They have like a family part. I forgot the name of that one. The Ambassador, which is the I think couples or adult only or whatever, I don't know, part. And this is the suites, the Zen suite. So all of the rooms over here are suites, and our room is joined with another room. So like we're on one side of the room, and then on the other side, some of my family is on the other side. What in the world? Sound like somebody out here beating drums. I just wanted to add that part in because y'all probably like this bitch is in the jungle, and is. Oh my.
Laugh, sometimes we call, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby.
Good morning. This is the last full day that we're here. This was a very short trip because we all gotta work. It's Saturday, March 12th. So let me tell y'all about yesterday. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna put it in here or not, but yesterday I died. Like literally, I had too much to drink. That's why I didn't really post or record yesterday, because I was so drunk. I threw up in the pool, restroom. I threw up in the restroom. I mean, on the floor in my actual hotel room. Had to come back and clean that up. It was just a mess. So let me tell y'all. So yesterday morning, I had three mimosas. Three mimosas and one champagne. And that was at what, 12, 11 o'clock in the morning. So after that, we went back to the room. We put on our clothes to go out for the day. And I don't know who told us this was a bright idea. But I started ordering shots. I guess we were trying to, you know how you're like Aunt, we were trying to get lit. So I ordered shots, and then I ordered a mezcal drink, which was so nasty because mezcal is so nasty. I don't know what was I thinking, but he said it was their signature drink, so I wanted to try it. So I had that. Then I got another shot on the side. Then we jumped in the pool. They had a bar in the pool, like in the pool. You had to swim to the bar. I don't know if I'm gonna put that in there. By now you guys probably already saw it, if it is in there, but we took 3 shots there. We took 2 shots to Don Julio 70. When I say that, Don Julio 70 was so freaking smooth. I didn't even feel nothing. Like taste. It didn't taste like nothing. So when I get back to America, I'm gonna buy that. Cause baby, that was the truth. It's called Don Julio Silver 70, I think. Yeah, 70, something like that. I'm getting that shit. Then they made us 2 shots of a mystery shot. That's what they call it. It had like ice cream on the top of the shot, and by the time you may have already seen it, once again, if not, I'm telling you. And it had liquor on the bottom and ice cream on the top. When I say that shit, it was so good. Like, I'm not gassing it. So let's do the rundown. We had, ooh, I got the wipe. I already had 3 mimosas, and I think I had a champagne too. So we're gonna say about 3 to 4 drinks. Then I took 2 shots of tequila. Then I took 2 shots of this mystery shit. I had a mezcal drink with a shot on the side. And this is all before like 2 o'clock. So then I thought it was another good idea. I'm fucking dumb. I thought it was another good idea to take a tequila shot. And then I was like, I don't feel anything. Everybody was like, yeah, we don't feel nothing. And next thing I know, I got on that little water jet ski, whatever it's called, and boom, dead. And then I walked to the bathroom, threw up on the ground, came back, got up, put my clothes on, walked to the room, laid down, Tried to throw up in the room, it just wouldn't come out. Went to sleep, woke up in the middle of my sleep, threw up everywhere. Got up, put my clothes on, went to dinner, came back, cleaned the throw up because I just did not have the energy. And then the dinner, the place we went to, once again, you probably have seen it by now, and if not, I was too dead to record. I don't even remember anything yesterday. So at this place, it's a French restaurant. They gave us them little bitty ass entrees and hors d'oeuvres and shit and appetizers. And it was not getting me full, so I came back to the room at like 11, I think, or 10 or something like that. And I had some queso chips, so still didn't get me full. So I just took my butt to sleep. But I'm back at 100% now. I ordered some room service. I'm about to enjoy my day. Sorry this was so long. I feel like I haven't really talked to you guys. You guys just been seeing stuff. I ordered some chicken fajitas for breakfast, orange juice, coffee and pastries. So I'm about to eat that, and then you guys are gonna see the rest of the day or whatever, because I am gonna vlog it, because I'm not drinking today. Okay, I lied, but you know, I'm not getting fucked up because that was a mess. So yeah, so I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog so far. I hope you guys love my family. They're a hot mess, and yeah, let's get to it. Vlogging. Room service.
Right there is fine.
Yeah, here, okay. Let me one
Let me tell you.
She just got some coffee and pastries.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. You're welcome.
This is the sauce for the chilaquiles.
Thank you.
This red sauce, okay?
Yes. I hate green sauce. I like red.
You like that period, you?
Especially
This is a plate.
Oh, that. Good. Oh.
The cheese and cream is for the chilaquiles, okay?
Okay. Cheese and
Okay,
cream.
so we have coffee with cream. This is with rice.
Okay. And this. Okay.
Please, sir, let me your sign. Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
Okay, good.
Would you like one chair for two seats?
No, thank you. What do I do? Just sign your name in the bottom. Put $5.
See?
Is
that's
there
weird.
anything else I can do for you?
Is it possible to request another pot of coffee? Or do I need to call and order it?
Excuse me?
Is it possible to get one more pot of coffee, or should I call and order it?
Yeah. Oh, the same one?
Yes, please.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
I'm back in 10 minutes.
That's fine. Thank you so much, Carlos.
Thank you.
You give him money?
Oh, monkeys out here.
Yes, look.
they're baby monkeys.
We're gonna put some food out tonight for them.
Paw prints everywhere.
They ate it.
This idiot decided he wanted to put
They ate it.
food on the porch. It's like little paw prints.
Monkey prints on the wall. Monkey prints right there.
I know, because your dad is just a genius. This is my swimsuits, and I wore this yesterday, but in black. The same swimsuit from Amazon. Got on my toy birch flip flops.
From going up.
Really? Why?
What?
Oh my god.
What?
You filming? Yes, I am, little boy. I just feel like I don't like that Joe Malone sample I put on. It makes me smell like a grandma.
I gotta put some cologne on.
Can't stand this little one.
Not herself.
This one either. This is my baby. That's my favorite. Yeah, it's my favorite.
I got
I
it.
love you too.
What about me?
Look at her. I'm coming. Look at her.
Right there.
Come on, Chanelly, baby.
My voice won't even do it this morning.
Chanelly, baby. Tori, baby. Tori's.
Oh my god, look at my toes. I mentioned that. I was like,
Birkin pussy.
Shit.
what is that?
Birkin pussy, Birkenstock. So right now we are walking to transportation so we can take the shuttle to another part of the resort so we can go eat breakfast. Like, our room is literally in the jungle. As you can see, the monkeys that were on the porch last night, or whatever that was. y'all, I forgot to tell y'all, I fell 3 times yesterday in front of everybody in the same spot 3 times. I think everybody kind of slipped. Who else? You slipped? Who else? Somebody else did. Kurt, Naja. I don't think It's like nothing ever happens to Marla. Like, she never gets drunk, she didn't fall, nothing. So we just learned that we have to get our COVID test before we get on the flight tomorrow. So we're actually here trying to get COVID tested because according to America, if you're not positive, you can't go back into America. So just trying to knock that out the way.
If we're positive, we get to stay at Mexico.
Yeah. That little hot Cheeto sitting in that chair. Ooh. Ooh. Zaddy. Zaddy. So we all just got our COVID tests and we're just now waiting on the results. Y'all, the lady didn't even get in my notes. She literally stopped right here, like literally right there. So all these tests should be negative. Guys, we made it to brunch. We're at the buffet called Azul. Shut up. And I have hash browns, eggs, fruit. It looks like plums, raspberries, cherries, grapes, French toast. And this is a chorizo and ham omelet with spinach, cheese, pepper, and onion, I believe. So yeah. And this is the background. Hope you guys can see the water. The food is really, really good here. All right, I'm about to eat. Get that shit. I told him to put it in the water. It act like an octopus.
Dad.
Guys, so they opened up for lunch. They got sushi, we got dessert, we got pizza, we got...
Want to taste?
Whatever the hell all he got.
Here, you want some?
Ew! And then he's dangling it. Get... Child, grow up.
Child, grow up.
Some pizza. We found us some seating. Now it's time to get in the pool. Let's do it.
Daddy's gonna throw me in the pool.
Typical white boy.
Ice cold beer.
Beer for my belly.
Ice
Beer,
cold
bro.
beer.
Got me a beer. Go team, let's go. Come on, boys. Get out there and play some ball.
What do they say for Alabama?
Roll
Roll
Tide.
Tide.
Roll Tide.
Why he sip his ice cold beer?
Beer, it's not that cold. You want to taste? You want to sip? You want to swallow my beer? What you swallow? You want to swallow a beer?
Roll
I
Tide.
ran 4 miles at school.
I don't want to be on camera with my stomach like this, please.
And under 12
I really don't.
Girl,
That's
this is not going on Instagram.
so cap.
I don't want to be on YouTube either.
That girl is naked. Naked.
Oh my God.
I just feel like that's a fair thing. I don't want to be.
Okay, Naja, for the 8th time. Okay.
know all this line about everything. She just
Oh God, it's tight. It's tight. I used as a kid.
Just me and my brother.
No guys
me and
ever
my
told me that, I'm
brother.
sure.
What? It's tight.
It's tight.
It's tight, but it's right. It's right, but it's tight.
It's loose, but it'll do.
But it's loose. It's loose as a goose.
Even the damn ice doesn't last out here. Please don't dump that on anybody.
Lucy, do you want me to ball your little ass up?
Trey, did you see your little baby's pictures on her phone?
Oh, that's sweet.
Which of your kids is the biggest nature lover?
Me. Nature. I hate it.
Lucy loves nature.
Which of your kids is the most high maintenance?
Hey,
We're gonna slide.
My woes here and grab.
Clap.
Trying to teach these kids culture. That slide, baby.
That.
Mm-hmm.
4. Clap.
Mm-hmm.
Baby. 1.
Oh, Lord.
Now we're gonna do it twice.
Kids, you gotta have rhythm to do this.
oh, I want to try it. Okay.
That. 4.
Now he wants to try.
That.
Daddy wants to
4.
Come on,
Now we're
Zaddy.
gonna do it 3 times.
Can you go really slow?
Yeah.
Slide.
We should record this.
slower.
Alright, slide, clap.
1 on each side.
1.
Then
3.
uh,
Now we're gonna go
Alright,
back.
so it's
Back.
clap.
Back.
Do we slide every time?
no, then 1,
3 times.
2.
Wait, okay, hold on, way too fast.
Oh,
didn't you want to run at the ball?
1.
Watch out, sweetie.
California.
Olive, here's your roll.
Cocktail.
Shrimp him.
Cocktail.
Yeah, that.
Oh, here.
Thank you. I'll eat it in a minute.
Right behind you.
California roll.
Me. We are at the beach. And we're trying to read these signs in Spanish. Oh, did we? Did we? Veda. 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 Permanente. That means permanent, Marlo, if you didn't catch that. Yep. Mm-hmm. Then we got, no, that Tiburones is what I don't want to see. Oh, it's a swing. It's a swing. It's multiple. It's another one. This is great.
I'm trying to act like they too good for this.
What?
This is 70s. The swing joint.
Oh my God.
Come
Look at
on.
this little. She got sand all in her coochie.
That coochie sandbox.
Look at her.
Suck it. Titties in. Arch that back. What was that? Tequila?
We got our shots to kill you.
To kill you.
Look at Zaddy.
To kill you.
Look how- yes.
Right, nice guy, and then you just look over there.
Yep. Uh-huh. She got that sand
Kill
coochie.
you.
It's so beautiful.
Kill you.
So guys, it is a rain now and we got rains on. Everybody looks crazy.
Keep in your bag there.
Really? Oh shit. At least they got umbrellas. These some good umbrellas. Why are we walking in the rain?